Welcome everyone. Welcome back to Mishna study. We're continuing on Masechet Peah, the first Mishnah, first Perek, second Mishnah. This Mishnah will speak about the Shiur of Peah, right? The amount we need to give of Peah. So even though we said in the last Mishnah that there is no size limit to the Shiur that you have to give Peah, over here Chachamim Rabbanan instituted a Shiur, and that's what we're going to speak about over here. So En Pohatim La Peah Mishishim. ואף על פי שאמרו אין הפאה שיעור, הכל לפי גודל השדה, ופי רוב העניים, ופי רוב הענווה. So the Mishnah speaks about the size of Peah, the shiur. You can't have less than shishim, 1/60th of your field, right? That's the minimum amount the Hachamim instituted that a person should give for Peah, for the corner of his field. Parenthetically, in general, the laws of all these Hilchot Zera'im really apply in Eretz Yisrael. Mideoraita, though, they apply in Eretz Yisrael. Midirabanan, all these laws also apply in Chutz La'aretz, with the exception of certain laws in Hilchot Kil'ayim, which we'll see when we get to that Masechet. So over here, right, it will apply Midirabanan in Chutz La'aretz, Mideoraita in Eretz Yisrael. The Hachamim speak about the Shiur, not less than 1/60th. Now, even though Hachamim said that there is no shiur, right, there is no minimum amount that you should give, and even though they said that a person should give, a 60th, hakol, everything should really be a klifi godel hasadeh, right? There will be years, or let's say a person has a massive field, right, and there's not a lot of aniyim, then you should give, more based on the size of his field, or lefi rov ha'aniyim, according to the amount of aniyim. Let's say a person has a smaller field, right? But there are a lot of aniyim in the town, then you should give more of a peah. And ufi rov ha'anava, right? Also, according to the produce, right? Anava, Harambam brings two explanations over here. So what the land answers back, right? Right? What the land answers back, what the land gives you. So the produce, if there's a lot of produce, right? Even though there aren't a lot of aniyim, even though you don't have such a big field, you should still give a bigger size peah. It brings another perush, that anava, right, with the vit at the end, that would be anava, meaning the size of the grape itself, like not the grape, the seed, right? Or if there's a bigger produce, if the actual produce itself was a larger size, then you should give also a bigger amount, right? That speaks out of Mishnah. Next Mishnah, we're going to speak about where a person needs to give peah from, and we'll take that next class.